is May 23rd more exciting or the World Cup final more exciting? And 85% people said that the 23rd May is more exciting. So whatever it is, we are still interested in elections, even if for the drama, you know, which is a good sign. Firstly, thank you for having me, CKK. I never thought it'll be so grand. Normally, people are more interested in my love stories. 2 states, half girlfriend. But CKK only likes, I mean, he likes those stories also. But he's like, India positive, I'm doing this. I'm like, but you do facials and massages, which is also positive, which makes me feel good. But really, you want to do this one? You don't want to do a movie in film, like one of the actresses in my movies using the natural spa or something. That can be something we can do or something like that, product placement. He's like, no, that's not what, I want to do this. Because he wants to make it a better India. Good people don't go into politics. And when they do, they are screwed. I don't know if you've been following Delhi. I'll give you one example. Because it's a case of where I like both the candidates. Have you heard of Atishi Marlena? So she's married to one of my batchmates from IIT, Praveen Singh, and he is one of those unique IITians who left IIT and did social work. He just didn't want to take the corporate job. So I know they're very dedicated, she herself is very, very well qualified. And then on the other hand, you have someone like a Gautam Gambhir, who's also a national icon, right? He has achieved so much. He has lived his life. I mean, for me, any achiever thinks big like him. And if he's also there, he's also. Both are good. What happened to them? They were both smeared, right? Random letters going around about her. And then the blame going to Gautam. You know Gautam didn't do it. We all know. There is no way he needs to do that. But just imagine this is what happens. So CKK, you better know what you're doing. I am telling him because I actually care for him. I actually care for his brand. But if there is anyone who can do it, it's him. Because it's not a joke to open hundreds of beauty salons and make people pay for them in Chennai. Chennai people are not so easy, they're not so glamour struck, or they're not like so into vanity. Right? Like if you see Punjabis, they're only spending on themselves. So what Naturals created was a value. I think they created I'm talking hundreds of salons, right? It's not 2, 3. I think how many now? 650 salons. It's like Cafe Coffee Day. It's like Starbucks. I mean, forget South. I mean, I don't know how many national chains are there of that size. So I think he has done this. He has created jobs. He has created a profitable enterprise. He has made so many people happy. And I have done the spa treatments there. We've done a whole Times Now series on that. You can YouTube it and see. So I know the whole treatments all are good. But now his desire to do more somewhere connects with my desire. Because why should I do India positive? I should do half girlfriend part 2, 3/4 girlfriend, 3 states or 30 states. I can do that. I could make another movie and I could just make a Netflix show, which I might and I will try to. But why am I doing this? Because there is a desire to do more. For me, and I'm sure it is the same for CKK, the desire comes from, because in a country where there is no opportunity almost, our country has been exceptionally good to us. At least to me, it gave me the best of colleges. It gave me so much recognition. So I feel like if I have this platform, I should do more with it. There are very few educated celebrities. I'm not saying that you cannot care for the country without education, but education also plays a role. Experience plays a role. Entrepreneurship plays a role. People who have done things in life, when they get and do something, their motivation is very different. Because if CKK wants to make 5 crores more, he's not going to say, okay, make a flyover that will collapse in 5 years, but give me 5 crores. He's going to make 650 salons into 700. That's probably going to happen by the time we end this talk today anyway. So the motivation is different. For me also the motivation is different. I'm not interested. I thought of doing what he's doing, and I felt I have my role in writing about the country, in newspapers, in books, as speaking. And active politics is dirty. It's so dirty. But CKK is dirtier if needed. But he's dirtier for making the country better. And we need people like that. Because he goes, you see what happens to him. But he will be fighting. And he'll be a fighter for that. And I think we need that. The theme of India Positive clicked with him. That's what clicks with me. Because I write things which a lot of youngsters read. Now, they want to know about national issues, not as much as, like, say, they should. I mean, they're more interested in their girlfriends and boyfriends and their jobs and their careers, obviously. But even when they try to learn about national issues, they open the TV and see the news. Okay, today I'm going to see what is happening in the country. And they see grown-up people fighting like animals. Only thing that is not allowed yet on our news is physically beating people. Right? But otherwise it's almost the same. It's like a roadside fight happening. You know how people fight on the road? 2 cars bang each other. Or you broke my light. No, you broke my light. No, you did. Try and understand the state of the country from there. So they need simple takes. Luckily for me, a lot of them say, we need to know this for our entrance exams. Because if you're doing IAS and all that, you need to know what is happening in the country. If you're giving interviews, you need to know what's happening in the country, what's happening in Kashmir, what happened in Pulwama, what happened in GST, etc., etc. So they need that. So they pick up my book for that. And when they pick up my book, I don't want to give them a fight. I want to show them that there is hope in this country. I want to show them that there is solutions possible. So they're very tiny essays, 2-3 pages essays, apart from the first one, which gives an introduction. And they're just 2-3 pages, because I know youngsters have a attention span like of as much as taking a selfie. That's all they want. So I mean, of course, you can't make it that less, but I've made it very less and try to explain things to them. And ending always going towards a solution. Even though that solution may be too simple, but at least they need to know that somebody out there is thinking about a solution. People are not just interested in fighting. It's great we are doing this 19th, 18th, a few days before 23rd. Because India Positive is not dependent on who wins. It really is not about political party. If you look at India's biggest problems today, it is not one particular party that is causing them. You know, but we don't discuss that, right? I am going to beg people to stop trying to hate Muslims. I'm going to beg people to stop trying Muslims to hate Hindus. Please stop it for 20 years. After that you do. For 20 years, talk about money, talk about infrastructure, talk about pollution. Has anybody discussed pollution in this election? But then, when pollution comes in Delhi, they'll show pictures of kids with gas masks, what is happening, let's ban Diwali crackers. But when election comes, oh, what pollution and all, you Hindus, you bloody Muslim, you this, what is this nonsense? So we have to, this is not how people become rich. This is not signs of a rich family. You know, a rich family doesn't talk like this. I hate you, you hate me, I hate you more. If there is a house near you and they are fighting like this every night, you know they are never going to progress. if you want to progress, if you want India to be like, today Trump is fighting with China these days. Have you noticed? He keeps tweeting, China is very bad, this, that. And the world markets go down, the Indian market goes down. But imagine the level China has reached. Now it's America versus. So now it's America versus China. I mean, just imagine what China was. In the 70s, per capita income of China and India was same. 80s also. They have taken the last 30 years to take their country to a new level. We haven't. But my God, we keep talking about cows and this person did that and temple and it's all important. I'm not saying it's not important. But I'm saying if you're serious about becoming a world player, you can't be doing politics on this nonsense. Right? Now, even if I am in politics and I know that there are two ways to make people vote for me. One is I make 50 flyovers in Chennai and hope that they will notice. Or I just make an announcement that Hindus are great, Muslims are bad. Or Muslims are great, Hindus are bad. And then also people will vote for me. What's easier? Making 50 flyovers, supervising them, making sure they're finished on time in the right price? Or just cutting people up in these vote banks? So it is not the people. Anybody, it's not the characters. You can't say this politician is bad. You change what people want, they will change. Right? That's all that will, that's all we need. Achhe din, we keep talking, achhe din aayenge. Achhe din, when achhe din will come, when we have achhe log. When we have good people, good days will come. So I think voices like CKK, voices like, we must encourage this positive voices. People who stop doing, and there is human mind knows. We know when something is negative, So that's why India Positive is pretty broad that way. You know when something is going to be negative or something is going to be positive in life. So just stick to India Positive and let's all, whoever wins on 23rd, let's all keep them focused on the direction of the positive. That's all I want to say. Thank you.